Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and have a nice day to all. For today's video is we will make potato cheese and make vegetable jackfruit. This is part 1 of our vlog. Hope you watch out for part 2 of our vlog, guys. I was very happy today because my friends come to me at home on the mountain because they can only come here once. This is the view here, guys, in our place. And we went walk first because they wanted to see around. To all my supporter, hopefully you don't get tired of supporting me because I will work hard to make videos to upload. And this time is I will start making the potato cheese and then I separate the flour to make the whole not hindi salis sa pag-mix yung mga buo-buo. Then, this is my friends. I'm so very happy because they visiting me here in the mountain. This is Catherine and Aishin. This is Gay. And this one is Christine. He's starving. And this is Melody.
There she is. She's washing the dishes. Yeah. The unsay nga na? The steamer.
Guys, this is Angeline. So, she is what? What are you doing?
I'm making potato cheese.
You're making potato cheese. What are you doing right now?
I'm sipping the
Sieving
butter.
the butter. No, it's not the butter.
Butter dili butter nga kanang kuan. Mo ni ang photo
What?
butter.
Sa puto butter.
Yeah.
Yes.
Butter.
Yes, I have the British accent. So don't you dummy. Do you know how to speak English, Ate Catherine?
No.
Okay. You better shut your face.
Ibak na apa na ipos.
So this is the finished product.
Finished product di pa.
Yes.
Not ready yet.
It's going to be fun. It's going to be fun.
Fun.
It's going to be fun because we're making a potato cheese.
Oh, anak ng season na.
So after that, Angie will steam it, but in a hole. Yes, you will not put it what do we call that? Small things.
Molder.
Yes, we will not.
Molder.
We're not going to put there. No, we will not going to put it in the molder. We will going to put it whole. This would be the.
No.
So it is This would not be going to potato cheese. It is already a cake.
Photo cake.
Yes, dapat mag-cake na lang. Bisag kay na bang dako umbahin mo na tong cake gamay.
Kuan, dili maluto ang gamay.
Ay, di maluto. Okay. Monthly. Di ba, te? Monthly natin, no?
You're good in endorsing. Kahayahay dun mo na.
So, here is the finished product. Wow! Kalalami ba? Tambok ay buak kaayo. Uy, muras Angie buak.
Visit ka.
Kalalami. Lamia sa buak ko. Ta. Hoy, buak nga ka ng potato chas. Paghalom.
Nabisto na.
Lamia, nako gigutom na ko sa potato chas. Yucks. Lood. So here is the next batch. Angie told me to get the next batch. So,
Yeah.
faster Angie because it may fall. It may fall down on the roof. Naglasod ba yung kaghawi doon? Naglasod ko paghadali. What are you so long? So, Anginizam, kaiyahan ng ibutang ang second batch. So, Angie is going to put the second batch of the potato chas
Outdoor cooking, guys.
at the steamer. Yes.
How's the taste? How the taste?
Well,
Of photo cheese.
Over.
Ice cream yummy.
How about you?
Promise.
Cheesy.
Cheesy?
Yummy. Delicious.
It's very delicious. Perfect.